How many players are on a soccer team on the field for one side? Answer B. 11. In which sport is the term home run used? Answer A. Baseball. How many points is a touchdown worth in American football, not including extra point? Answer B. 6. Which sport uses a shuttlecock? Answer A. Badminton. How many players are there in a basketball team on the court for one side? Answer A. 5. In tennis, what is a score of 40-40 called? Answer A. Deuce. How many periods are there in an ice hockey game? Regulation. Answer B. 3. Which country won the FIFA World Cup in 2018? Answer A. France. In golf, what term describes scoring one under par on a hole? Answer C. Birdie. What sport is known as the beautiful game? Answer B. Soccer, football. In which sport would you perform a slam dunk? Answer B. Basketball. What is the distance of a marathon in kilometers? Official? Answer A. 42.195 kilometers. In cricket, how many runs is a boundary worth if the ball hits the ground before the boundary? Answer A. 4. Which sport uses a pommel horse as apparatus? Answer A. Gymnastics. How many players are on a baseball team on the field for one side? Answer A. 9. Which country hosts the Tour de France? Answer B. France. In which sport is the term alley-oop used? Answer A. Basketball. What sport is Serena Williams known for? Answer B. Tennis. How many holes are played in a standard round of golf? Answer A. 18. Which sport features the phrase hat trick for 3 successes in a game? Answer A. Cricket and soccer. Which country hosted the 2016 Summer Olympics? Answer A. Brazil. In rugby union, how many points is a try worth? Answer B. 5. Which sport uses a bow and arrow competitively? Answer A. Archery. In which sport do players use a racket and a small hollow rubber ball on a table? Answer A. Table tennis. What sport is associated with Wimbledon? Answer A. Tennis. Out of 25 questions, how many did you get correct? Share your score in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quiz challenges.